Hello friends, you are highly welcome back to my channel friends. Thank you so much friends for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for watching. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the powerful of Egyptian pistachio. You need to get your pistachio from spiritual shop. You can't get this type of pistachio in any supermarket. It has to be a spiritual shop. This pistachio is called Lost Pearls pistachio. This is from Egypt, so you get your whole. This I've already worked on it. There's a lot of lost pearls cast on this red pistachio, Lost Pearls pistachio. Okay guys, so I'm going to be sharing with you, show you one by one how you are going to be using this powerful pistachio for love making. I'm going to show you. So before I go further, please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel so that you are not going to be missing any of my powerful remedy. Please share this video for your loved ones. Share my video with your friends. Share this video below. Share this video. Love this video. Let me know what you think. If this worked for you, I want to know. So if you're the type of a woman that your husband doesn't give you any attention, you have to peel this. We only need this pistachio Lost Pearl. It's called Lost Pearl. If you are the type of person that your husband, your hubby doesn't give you any attention, your hubby spends times with his phone instead of him to be spending time for you, don't worry, let him sweat. He's going to be looking for you. He's going to be sweating, struggle to look for you. The table is gonna turn today when you, by the time I will finish with this remedy, and your husband, your hubby will be looking for your attention. He's going to be crying. It's going to, if it's the one that is calling you by name before, if it's calling you by name, it's calling you Grace, by this time it's going to be calling you honey, my sweet pie, shepherd pie, baby, yo, babies, babes. It will be calling you 24/7. If you are the type of a woman that your husband doesn't call you, doesn't tell you because of this side chick, don't worry, we leave this side chick alone. It will be looking for you, it will be coming for you, it will be just all over you. It will be calling you baby, your baby pie, shepherd pie, don't worry. So we are going to be using this. I'm going to be showing you one by one, step by step, how you are going to be use this. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this video. So how are you going to be using this pistachio, Lost Pearl pistachio? You need your grater. We need to grate this. So you can't get the supermarket one, or you need to go to Egypt, or you can go to anywhere they're selling all this love potion, or any shop that's selling spiritual spell for spouse. Please only use this for your husband or for your boyfriend. Okay, use this only for your boyfriend or for your hobby, or if you have a partner. You can't go around and be using love spell. And this one I've already done my homework with it. Okay, the reason why we are using rosemary is high impact essence. Rosemary, we use rosemary a lot for love spell. The reason why, because it's high impact essence that draw devotion and heals emotion rifts in exciting relationship. So this draw close relationship. If you are the type of person that you and your husband are not talking, by the time you use all this remedy, it will be the one who will be looking for you, and it will be talking to you. You will even be getting scared because he's going to turn himself to a parrot. It will be talking to you. You just need 3 to 2 drops. Get the one good one from the where they're selling love spell property there. And you need Bassy. We need Bassy. You need your Bassy as well. Bassy connect the energy of love. We use it so much for love spell. So you need Bassy, just a little, and it's sending back bad energy. So it retrieve, it send back bad energy. That is why we are using Bekkyshow. Bekkyshow will help you. It's full of love manifestation as well, so it's going to drive all this bad energy. It's going to give you the closure, the close together, to the togetherness with your spouse. So when you mix rosemary and Parsley and Egyptian lost pair pistachio, you are bound, you are connecting your relationship, you are healing the relationship. If you are the type of person that you really want your hairs back, you need this remedy. You really need this love potion. You make your love potion yourself, guys. So this is called love potion. Do as I said. Look for me. This is what it is. This is what they are collecting portion from you guys. I'm making it this for free for you. Don't skip it. Write it down and do it step by step. Follow it step by step. And we are going to be needing cocoa. We are going to add coconut water. Coconut water, we need it. Is coconut water when you are doing your love spell, you are doing your love spell, you want to combine, you want a close relationship with your partner, with your boyfriend, with your girlfriend. Don't worry. So this is called love potion. Do as I said. Look for me. This is what it is. This is what they are collecting portion from you guys. I'm making it this for free for you. Don't skip it. Write it down and do it step by step. Follow it step by step. And we are going to be needing cocoa. We are going to add coconut water. Coconut water, we need it. Is coconut water when you are doing your love spell, you are doing your love spell, you want to combine, you want a close relationship with your partner, with your boyfriend, with your girlfriend. Don't worry, you have to add coconut water, not the oil. So I have my coconut water. Tonight I'm doing coconut baths. So I'm going to be making video how you can do coconut bath for yourself. We need to do coconut bath once in a month, okay? If you are the type of person you always a bad luck, the road, everything is blocked for you, get use of coconut bath. You use coconut bath in the middle of the night to remove all the bad energy, bad energy, every negativity from your body. We use coconut water. So we are going to use this coconut water. We are going to add it with this love potion to manifest a good portion. And we're going to be need cinema. You need good cinema. This I've already worked on this myself, so you just need a little pinch for cinema. So cinema is high motivative, it's vibrant love. It's the love. It's a love karma. Cinema. You can burn cinema stick in your house if there's a conflict in the house. If you and your spouse or partner you always clash, burn a cinema stick to calm. That is the reason why we are using this, guys. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you are going to be using this. This look messed. I'm telling you guys, this is very work effective. You need a good honey. I'm going to be applying honey. So we all know honey is sweet. You cannot do any love spell without adding honey. This is what is going to be making the man, your hubby or your girlfriend, to be calling you. Change your name to Sweet, Shepherd Pie, Hubby, Mine. Will be calling you like a baby whenever. So love me, I love you. Do you love me? Please love me, I love you. So if you have trouble with relationship, if people say, oh, you are not very lucky to have a man, don't worry. By the time you'll be using this ritual, it's going to you are with people will say, oh my friend, you are very lucky. How do you do it? So this is called love spell. Do as I say. I want you to call me, I want you to love me, I want you to romance me, I want you to give me that hot pet cake club. So this is it, guys. This is all we need. This is it. This is the love potion. Love potion. This is it. This is what you need, guys. This is how it looks. And I've already worked on it. And you are going to be, when you are, all you need to do, this is what you have to do. This is what is going to make your husband or your wife be looking for you, and you are going to be store it in a room temperature where nobody can see it. It's only you can see this now. Don't let your children touch this love portion. So what you are going to be doing with this, for your husband, your spouse to be looking for you, chasing you, looking for you like so, as it is. Look for me as well. This way, if you are out of relationship, using this, your hairs will come back. You'll be sweating looking for you. Oh, this portion is very... So you're going to be adding this to your bath water. You're going to be bath with this. Okay? You bath with this and you mention the name of the person 3 times. Joshua, Joshua, Joshua. As I'll be back, you call his name Joshua. Let's say your boyfriend name is Joshua. You mention Joshua 3 times. You say, Joshua, I want you to start looking for me. Look for me, look for me, call me. Be desperate for me. Be thirsty for my love. Thirsty for my love, Joshua. So just manifestation, you say, just tell the portion what you want the portion to do for you, this love spell. Just as I'll be using this to bath today, by the time you will see me, you will know have peace, you'll be calling me. So when you use it, just make sure Joshua, your husband, is at home. You will see straight away like, oh honey, where are you going? So don't be using it too much, because this man might quit his job and be sitting at home. So you don't want him to quit his job. Okay, so use it once in a month. Once in a month, add it to your bath water. Add it like and mix it and wash yourself with warm water or hot water, and go to the sitting room or living room. Ask Joshua, can you please give me your credit card? I need your credit card. I need the PIN number. I need your credit card PIN number. Joshua is gonna give you. Make sure this thing works before you ask for the PIN number. When you see the changes, when you see that you've turned Joshua to remote control, so from there you can ask Joshua, can I have the PIN number of your credit card? So don't vacuum all the money, just a little bit. Maybe you want to go for holiday, you can vacuum some. Be careful now, maybe you want to buy a family car, you can vacuum it and just use it to buy a family car for the kids. So this is the love portion, guys. So if you are new to our channel, please share this video. Click subscribe button, notification bell, because I'm upload video almost every day. Share my video, guys. Love this video. Thumbs up and subscribe. Bye for now. Bye for now. Stay blessed.